Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, April 13th. Well, we saw some follow through in the NASDAQ market. We talked about that possibility. It's not a super strong move, even though it did move a bit higher. Friday is going to be very important for us. We do have some fundamentals that could help drive this higher, and that stronger close is what I'm looking for. Let's move on and see what's happening with the US dollar. And you can see it's stronger against many of these currencies. If you look at the euro, it did back off. The magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish is $250 a contract. I'm looking for an unchanged type day on Friday. Also, the Swissy got a bit weaker, but let's go down here to the British pound. It traded just a little bit below its bearish level, and the magnitude change here is $250 a contract, and I think we have a chance to move higher in that market for Friday's action. Bitcoin also traded above its bullish level, and the magnitude change here is $5,000 a contract. I'm not looking for a strong move here in this market, and I'm still a little apprehensive about Bitcoin's ability to maintain this momentum. But momentum is what we're seeing in the 10-year notes. Let me just show you that. It's breaking down. I think it's beautiful. We need to see follow through. About half the size of yesterday's range is what we're looking for Friday. And gold traded below its bearish level, and that makes sense. Stronger dollar, stronger stock market, some uncertainty taken out of the market, so it's acting logically. In fact, I think the markets today are normal in terms of market reactions. Well, the magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish is $1,700 a contract, and I do look for further movement to the downside, but not a big move. Feel the same way about silver. Magnitude change here, $950 a contract. Not looking for a dramatic move down there. Copper, I'm looking for an inside day, but it did trade below its bearish level, and the magnitude change between that bearish and bullish levels below that is $1,250 a contract. The next bullish level there is at 308, and I do not expect that to be taken out. But let's talk about crude oil. Crude oil had some positive movements up, but I'm still concerned about this. A weaker dollar, Middle East concerns have created some upward movement, but is it sustainable? I'm concerned about that market, and I think we should watch it closely. Let's talk about soybeans. Soybeans also gave us a push to the upside. Fundamentals do support a rally. I'm just not sure the paper's there to sustain this move as well. So I think we need to be very cautious. Oh, I should also tell you that we did trade below its bearish level, and the magnitude change here is $450 a contract for our friend here, the soybean market. And over in wheat, it traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here is $1,300 a contract. I'm looking for an unchanged and slightly higher move in the wheat market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.